to my channel. What's up? So as you see from the title, I'm doing a get ready with me today. My room is on a cool down mode right now, so sorry for the noise. Right now I'm just gonna sip on my tea. It says coffee, but actually, let me see if I'm gonna see here. It's not coffee. It's some bush tea that I'm having. Before we jump into the video, I must let you guys know today's video is sponsored by Teddy Blake New York. Yes, so this is going to be a part of my outfit for the day actually, so it's very appropriate. I'm going to be putting this with my outfit. I've worn this before but not many times. They specialize in, you know, designer handbags. The inside is so pretty, but it offers show them because inside is nice. I love it so much, and I just wanted to also let you guys know about all the sales Teddy Blake is going to be having in the coming season. So you guys know, if you don't know, it's sales season coming up. You're going to have Black Friday very soon, that's next month, then Cyber Monday, and of course you have various Christmas sales. So like if you're interested in getting this or any other bag, you could definitely just go ahead and use my code. It's TB PETITE-SUE 20, and you can get $20 off your order. Whatever you purchase, you can get $20 off it by using my code TB PETITE-SUE 20. So yeah, I did that whole like, what do you say, I like reaction / review video on this. So you see, yeah, it has two handles. So I'll put that video, that link in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But yeah, this is gonna be a part of my look today. Shout out to Teddy Blake New York. As I said, if you decide to go ahead and support your girl, just use my code. I'm going to put the direct link to this bag down below, and I'll also put the link to the website in my description box. So if you're interested, you go ahead and get yourself a nice designer bag. In a recent video, like when I did my, like, you know, a little colorful look. No, not that video. One of my hair videos, a couple people were asking me to do a updated natural makeup routine. I'm starting off with my brows. So I'm all done with the brows. Very minimalistic. Remember, this is natural face, natural makeup update. So yeah, so today I'm actually going to be using some powder foundation, and this is going to be from the Sacha palette. This is a powder foundation palette, so I said, you know, why not? So I'm going to be doing, like, applying everything the same way I would when I just use my powder with my concealer. So I'm going to highlight first with my Makiage FM Flawless concealer, and just blend that out and stuff. But yeah, a little less about the makeup because this is not really full on a makeup tutorial. So we're not going to another resort today. We're actually just going to be going to a condo. It's an Airbnb. We found this on Airbnb. By the time you see this video, I'm not sure if we're still there. So yeah, because I'm actually getting ready to go there now. You know, so for other people who don't know, it's actually a holiday weekend. So this is just something light, something simple. It's not nothing too, you know. But you know, like, due to the whole pandemic and stuff, there's a lot of limitations in terms of what you can do. So a lot of people is like just doing a lot of like mini vacations, mini getaways and such, we decided that we didn't necessarily want to go back to another resort, like not right now at least, because of the pandemic. There's like so much limitations. Just cook on our food and just have a nice spot, you know, just a whole switch up of the scenery, and that's pretty much it. Good vibes, have some booze, good music, and you're good. So yeah, a little update. What can I update you guys on? Yeah, I refilled my nails. I didn't do a nail video for this either or anything like that, so I'm actually going to set the concealed areas with my Sacha powder. Set those areas with that, and then afterwards I'll go in with the powder foundation. The only reason why I feel like I'm using the powder foundation is, you know, just so I can get an all-in-one and a more lasting effect. I didn't use any primer, by the way. I don't know if you guys caught that, but I just didn't. Sometimes I honestly can, but I didn't. But if you're gonna like have this on for the whole day, I recommend primer. Definitely recommend primer. So yeah, if you're living in Jamaica, let me comment down below and tell me what you did, because by the time you see this, it's probably gone. Yeah, how you celebrated. I know I said broke up with people bad still, but you see, tomorrow is promised to nobody. It's not promised to a soul. So you cannot make, because of the pandemic, you stop live your life. Anything that is you're able to do in the little piece of, you know, any little freedom where you have, anyway you can, in any way that you can get, you know, creative with doing stuff, do it, because tomorrow is promised to nobody. Don't ever forget that. So you cannot, you see how long this is going? This is going in other words for about almost a year. I'm going to be taking Perfect Caramel. So I'm just going to fuse that in with the highlight. And this has a very, very good coverage. I don't know if you guys can see that. I feel like I'm gonna be doing a Q&A very soon for you guys, but like with a mukbang form, because a lot of you want to see mukbangs and stuff, and I'm really trying to, like, what I do with my video ideas, like for interactive videos. You guys know that I do a lot of hair videos and stuff. I'm slowly trying to break back into makeup, you know. Yeah, so yeah, what I do is like I try to make like a list so I can keep track of what I am doing and stuff like that. Once I do videos like this, people are always like, yo, give me a skincare routine, give me this, give me that. I already did an updated skincare routine for this year, so you can go ahead and check it out. It's listed. So I feel like using a powder foundation, that's if you feel like you're comfortable with your skin, but it can also hide blemishes, like really, because it's a very opaque coverage. It's pretty good coverage. I say medium coverage. You can go ahead and use it. You don't have to. And because, okay, Jamaica is still hot despite the coolness. Some areas might be more cool than others. Me, I just prefer less product. It's a powder bronzer, and this is in the shade Mahogany. So I'm gonna put some of this in the crease of my eyes, and just to give it a nice little subtle contour. What I use this powder for actually is to actually bronze up my face. So yeah, instead of using eyeshadow, when I'm doing my natural looks, I really don't like to do eyeshadow. It's a natural look. I don't use eyeshadow. I usually just use my face powder, or like how I'm using this, to go in the crease a little bit and put on a nice lash. I didn't even do fusion lashes this time because I'm giving my eyelashes a fusion. I'm giving my eyelashes a break. Sometimes I can't, but I am, man. Honestly, I love when I'm doing it, but when they start drop out, boy, it just annoy me. But I feel like I might do them again further to the Christmas season. I feel like I might make my nail tech do my nails for the Christmas season. Okay, so usually like before I spray my face or anything else, I just go in with my eyelashes. So I'm going to try out this INV 3D collection, multi-ankle and volume and lightweight lash. This is how it looks. It's 25, it's number 25, it's over here. And these lashes, they're pretty lightweight. Honestly, in the camera when the lash them heavy, that just make me feel tired. Like that, I'm you on that. Remember if I'm you on that too. Like when you have on the big lashes, right? That's why I'm gonna really put them on that much more. This is alright for me. This is a nice little flare. Like when you put on the big lash them, like them not make you get tired quick, like your eye them feel drowsy. Me can't bother with that. So me just load them out since. So when doing my natural looks, the most going on in my eyes is my lashes. Yeah, because I just want to look nice and flawless. I don't want nothing to be too bold. See, that's a nice little flare that has a nice pop. Like that is very nice. So usually now when I'm done with the lashes, I just go in with my benign final seal. Want to ensure you get an even spray of it on the face, because it can be applied kind of like dotty on the face, and you don't want it to have that look. So for my glow today, I'm going in with my Makiage. You guys know this product, like my Makiage Highlighter does. That's all I do for highlight. Oh, and then I bought this mascara recently. It's the first time I'm going to try this out. This is a Bambi Eye mascara. That's all that's on it, Bambi Eye. So new Juvias Place palettes, you know, but I'm yet to do any tutorials or even try them out any at all. So you have to stick around for those looks that I'm going to create with those palettes. So I got a Juvias Place Clear lip gloss when I was picking those up. Whenever I you know, it's mask up time and I still want to wear my lip gloss, so what my hack is, I get like masks that are bigger than my face. So like masks that can be like out from my nose, it don't rub on my mouth and such too much. So like that's what I do. This is a nice thick consistency, but nothing. I don't find no gloss that come like in the actual makeup brands, those popular makeup brands that are thick like this. The one you're telling some buy from the pharmacy. I don't find this. The name of this is Honey Lip Gloss, Aloe Vera Vitamin E SPF. That's what J2 Professional. That's the brand, J2 Professional. Bought it in a pharmacy in half a tree. It was bomb. It was like $300. Yeah, I'm all out now, so I'm using regular makeup brands, but I'm yet to find anything thick. When that's on your lip, it's on your lip. It is on your lip. But this is the makeup look. This is it. Is so cute and just subtle. I mean, nothing you haven't seen before, but you guys wanted an update, so this is an update slash get ready with me. Right now I'm going to get dressed. My outfit is this green color. It's a whole set, the whole fit. The top and the bottom is the same print, but you're gonna see it fully in, like, you've probably seen it in the intro. I'm going to be using this perfume for the first time, my Marc Jacobs Decadence. This, as I said before, okay, if you keep up with my vlog channel, you would have seen where I kind of did like a mini review on this. It smells like business. That's a weird description, I know. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of my Moschino. Sometimes I like doing that. Yeah. The Decadence isn't my favorite, but I bought it, so like I'm gonna use it. It's not my favorite, to be honest, but it still has a nice scent, so I'm using it. It's not like, oh my gosh, no, not like that. It smells good, don't get me wrong, it smells good. It's just not really me. I'm all done with my look. I love this hair, it's so pretty. But that's it. I feel like it's pretty minimalistic, the look. The hair is bold, don't get me wrong, because this is some inches, okay? But I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm wearing my watch. I love this watch. I think I showed you guys this watch before too. So this is the watch I'm wearing. Simple short nails. I didn't feel like going long this time. Regular, you know, black hair. The Meltdown is the truth. This is Swiss lace, by the way. This wig is a Swiss lace wig. If you're interested in seeing the initial video with all the details on this wig, I'm going to put it down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, once more, thanks to Teddy Blake for sponsoring this video. And yeah, let me show you guys my full fit. So just want to stay tuned with my channel. If you're not yet subscribed to my vlog channel, go ahead and do so. I really do appreciate the support over there. Thank you guys so much. Continue, you know, suggesting new video ideas for this channel, and just stay tuned because the girl uploads very frequently. I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, bye.